Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today we will be talking about making carom shots. In this demonstration, we're just going to be showing the game of 9-ball, and knowing carom shots can make 9-ball incredibly easy. So I'm going to pull out this 9-ball here, and my cue ball. So the 9-ball is somewhere like that. You broke, there may have been a little gap in the rack, or it may have got kicked over here to this pocket. But we're on, let's say we were on the 3-ball before this. We can find the 3-ball. Here it is. Let's say we were on the 3-ball before this. And we set up for a shot like so. So we made the 3. Now we're on the 4. Let's say we're over here, give it a target. On the Poolshot Protractor, we're at the 30-degree line. 30-degree line like this. So this is pretty much like a half-ball hit, but not exactly, but it's close to it. Let's just call it that. So at the 30-degree cut angle line with maximum follow, this sheet with all the Poolshot aiming protractor formulas says cue ball path with maximum follow at low speed is 34 degrees. So if we search here, we see the 34-degree line is right here, and that's heading straight towards that 9-ball. So if we can see this before we set up, if we just send this 4-ball straight into the rail, following the arrow on the protractor, with maximum follow and a low speed, I'm going to try to get it to work as I shoot over the protractor. I'm not sure if it will. We're going to follow that 34-degree line right into the 9-ball. Now we can use this even if the 9-ball is at like an awkward spot like that or something. Now if we move this forward, 34-degree line is at the contact point for the 9. Cue ball's at the 30-degree line just to give us reference points. If we hit this 4-ball straight to the rail, then we, with maximum follow and a low speed, we're going to follow this line. Now I'm not sure if I set it up to really make it. We're going to test. It should come close to making it though. See? Where my cue stick was pointed, we weren't making that ball. But I wanted to show you anyway, just to show you that it follows the path and I'm not really manipulating it that much. So if this moves forward, the 34-degree line is a lime green line right here. And then now we should make it with max follow and a low speed. Just like that. Now one thing you do need to watch out for, if this ball is close to the rail. If this ball is close to the rail, you're going to have to cut it a bit to get that 34-degree line like that. Our cue ball's on the 30 line, but what I want to show you is as you get angles like this, you really need to watch out for a double kiss. Now what a double kiss is the 4-ball comes out of the rail and hits the cue ball again, which completely screws up the chance of you making this ball. So if you end up in a position like this, we're going to take away the protractor. If you end up in a position like this, there are 2 options. You can either use a bit of draw and just hit the edge of the 4-ball, or my best choice would be just to cut the 4-ball into the 9-ball. Use a little bit of top left spin. It's a real easy combination. There really is no way to miss that. Now if these 2 balls were like so, and this 9-ball were over here, this 4-ball were like this, right here, the carom is the better option. Still a bit of draw, hit really thin, just like that. Because the combination, as the 9-ball gets further away from the pocket, the combination becomes much more difficult. Now if we have an angle like this, then we're definitely 100% shooting the combination. There isn't even a carom on in that situation. But as the 9-ball gets further away from the pocket, and if it's not really a controlled shot, if it were like this, I don't even know if I'd be shooting the combination. I don't even know if I'd be shooting at the 9 if I didn't have a proper carom angle, as I showed with the Protractor. Because this, in the combination, you have to back cut that 4-ball. And I don't really like to back cut into a back cut. It's kind of difficult. Also, the carom is not like a direct carom. You could, if we were right here, we could try drawing into the ball. But you see, as the 9 gets further away from the pocket, it may be best to not go for the 9 at all and just play safe. That's something a lot of amateurs, including myself, have a problem with. Messing up, thinking in your mind, if I go for the 9, I could win. But also, you could push that 9 over the pocket and then leave it right there for an easier combination. So if we were shooting this combination again, like I showed you here, this cut one, we want to make sure we hit this hard enough. Because if we hit it too soft, just imagine we hit it a bit softer, that 9-ball stays right there. And then this is almost unmissable. Actually, this is a tougher angle, but just with a little carom shot like that, that 9-ball is going straight down. And that was using the 34-degree mark because we used maximum follow at a low speed. So just on this little formula sheet from the Poolshot aiming Protractor, there's a half-ball hit. With a half-ball hit, the cue ball path with maximum follow at a low speed is 34 degrees. So this is obviously very, very helpful. It also has several other different formulas on here that are very helpful that I've discussed in other videos. So go check those videos out. When you see the Poolshot aiming Protractor in a thumbnail, go check that video out. It's automatically going to be a great video with a formula, with an actual mathematical formula to tell you where the balls are going. So if we have a half ball hit, 34-degree mark, and this is the cue ball contact point, this is the object ball. The object ball goes here. The cue ball with maximum follow and low speed is coming along this lime green line right here. It looks yellow in the camera, but along the 34-degree line here, this is where your cue ball will be going. So 30 contact point, 34. It also has the tangent line on here. If the cue ball is sliding, 30 contact point, tangent line. So there are a lot of different lines and marks on this that can help you out. So let's move on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys are interested in ordering the aiming Protractor, right here all you have to do is go to poolshot.org. The link is down in the description of this video. It's poolshot.org. They are a great company. This does come in different sizes, like a snooker size. This one is the US pool size. It also comes in English black ball size, so pretty much every game there is, you can use this in. And all the lines are adjusted correctly. So it really, really is a great, great tool. So go to poolshot.org. They ship everywhere. It really is a great tool for the price. It's also really cheap compared to other pool billiard supplies. Sometimes people like to raise those prices, but this company does not do that. It also comes with the little sheet with all the different formulas on it and everything. So this is a real great price. It just shows you where the cue ball goes. I've never seen anything like that. So just go check out Poolshot down in the description. Also check out my other sponsors I have listed there. Thank you to all of my sponsors. Also, thank you guys for 45,000 subscribers. That is a crazy number. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.